Hey friends, welcome back to VinVout. Today I've got an exciting project lined up for you, an interactive game with the ESP32. You all know the famous boredom saver, the Google Chrome's T-Rex. Imagine taking it to the next level. What if it were more interactive? Like instead of just going and pressing on a keyboard, what if it jumps when you jump? Yes, you heard that right. When we jump, the Chrome Dino jumps. Let's get started. First of all, we have the MPU6050 gyroscope for detecting the jump and a custom ESP32 breakout board for easy connections. Want to know more about this PCB? You can check out my previous video. So this custom ESP32 breakout board has many functionalities, including external 12-volt supply and also a dedicated spot for the MPU6050 for easy connections. We uses the ESP32's Bluetooth functionality for this project. We uses something called the NIM PLE, which can actually make your ESP32 act as a Bluetooth keyboard. So what the code does is that when the MPU6050 detects a jump, the ESP32 acts as a keyboard and gives a spacebar. We jump, the Chrome Dino also jumps. So it's that simple. Of course, you need to make some calibrations in the code in order to get your dedicated results. You can always use the serial monitor for your help.